So I'll start streaming and I'll be teaching you on how to the basic knowledge on how to operate on Photoshop. So this is my screen I'll be sharing, and I'm sorry for the previous videos that audio I had audio problem, and we are going to start. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be having live streaming on various software. So any software that you want to learn, you can comment, then I'll take you through, such as Illustrator, Premiere Pro, Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, and other applications. So I'm going to take you through basic knowledge on how to use Photoshop. So I'll start by creating a new. So for me, I've already opened this one. So I'll create a new. So you can create a new. Then you choose the size of the page that you want. So if it is a photo size for print, illustration, or for web, mobile. So these are the sizes that it will give you depending on what you want to create and where you want to place it, or which platform do you want to place it. So for me, I'll go to print and I'll choose A4. Then here there is portrait and landscape. For me, I like landscape, so I'll choose landscape. Then you can choose either you want to use pixels per inch, pixels per centimeter, the background content, you want it to be white or black, or background color, transparent, custom. So for me, I'll go with white. I like white. So I'll create. So that's how you create your page. Then if you want to bring an image, so because we are using Photoshop and maybe I'm not editing a photo, so I'll bring more than one photo. So that's why I have this size of the page. So to bring a photo, you go to File, Place Embedded. This is how you bring a photo. Then you click. Then you check where your photo is. For me, it can be in download or desktop, depending on where your photo is. For me, I'll pick this photo and place it. So this is how you place your image, and you can use these corners to drag your photo on, to create or to make it the shape that you want. So after you are okay with the size, you click this tick, or you place enter on your keyboard. So this is the way on how you bring photos on Photoshop. If you want to go and bring another photo, you go back to File, Place Embedded. Sorry, so sorry. I'll go to File, Place Embedded. I'll choose another photo. I'll choose this one, and then I place it. So I'll drag it this side and create and increase the size. Then I'll accept it. Then we'll move to selection tools. So there are various type of selection tool. Like this one is a rectangular. So if I want to select maybe this part, first I make sure I've selected the layer of that image that I want to select. Then you can right click and copy, or you can go here, edit. I'll copy it, and I'll copy. So it is this image. I'll copy it, and then I will paste it to where I want it to be. So I've already, so this is the one that I had selected. Then there is another type of selection tool, this one. So this one is when you want to select the circular part. So you make sure you've selected the layer which has that image. Then I'll copy that part, and I'll also paste the part. Sorry, Control Z. So I'll copy that part, then I'll also paste. Then I can move that part that I've already copied. So these are the type of selection tool. You can also have lasso tool. Lasso, you just draw the round part. You just hold your mouse. Then there is polygon. So polygon, you just click then you create the selection, so it will select that part. Then there is there is this one, object selection. So if you want to select your object, you just draw. So you can use the rectangular, but also you can change, you can select the object, but you can use the lasso tool. So these are the type of selection tool that you can use while selecting your object. You can also use quick selection tool. Let's say I'll go to this image, then you can just drag mouse, then it will select that object. So those are the type of selection tool. Or you can use the magic, so it will try and find out the image. Thank you, and this is what I wanted to share.